What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we're inside a TrueNas Scale. I just installed this one. I did have TrueNas Core, but I found out that certain things that I wanted to do I could not do in Core, so I decided to jump over to Scale. And we're using the latest version, just downloaded today, which is the Electric EO 24.10.2. What we're going to do is that we're going to set up our pool, then we're going to join an Active Directory for our Windows domain, and then we're going to set up a data set. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on Store, click on Storage, then choose Create Pool, and then we're going to give it a name. This warning right here is just saying that it has found an existing pool, and that if we continue, we're going to destroy the information that's on the drive. So just go ahead and destroy it. Click on Next, and then our data, we're going to choose a RAID Z2, and then we're going to leave it as our data size is 1, which is the only option that we have. Our width is going to be the amount of drives that we're going to use. So the RAID Z2 is 4 drives and above. We've got 6, so we're going to choose 6 of them. And then we're going to leave this one default 1. That's the only option. Click on Next. And we're going to leave all these other options. We're going to leave these blank because we do not have the available disk space to enable these options. Go ahead and click on Next. And then go ahead and choose Create Pool. Choose Confirm and then Continue. Okay, our pool has been created. Come over here to Credentials. Choose Directory Services. Configure Active Directory. Type in our domain, our user, and then choose Enable, and then choose Save. Okay, with that done, let's go ahead and reboot. Go ahead and choose Restart, Confirm, and Restart. Okay, let's come over here to our data set and choose Add Data Set. And then we're going to choose Dark Set. Then we're going to change Generic down to SMB. And then we're going to choose Save. Okay. And now, with this selected, let's come all the way down here to our roles and manage SMB shares. Then we're going to choose on Edit. And then this right here, for some reason, it always changes it. We want to make sure that this is set to private SMB data set and shares. And then choose Advanced Options. Come all the way down here to the bottom and use as home share. Then choose Save. And then choose Restart Service. Okay, inside of our Active Directory for users and computers, we double click on our user, click on Profile. Then right here is where we can go in and add in our share. So we do a // our NAS name, which ours is Dark NAS, and then the name of the user on this one right here, and then we choose OK. Okay, so let's take a look at it now. Let's go ahead and open up our Dark NAS, and there we go. It gave us 2 folders. It gave us a home folder, which goes to the same exact place as this one right here. And so, yep, that's how you set it up. It's quick and simple and easy. Sometimes you have to reboot your computer, and sometimes you don't. But the NAS server, in my experience, has to be rebooted at least twice before everything takes effect and stays solid. And this right here will run, I mean, it will run every single time that you log into the system. You will have your share. So we come over here to PC, and we've got it sitting right here. So we can access it right there. We no longer have to go in through the network to do it. All right, I am Wayne Barron with CFF Coding Source inside of TrueNas Scale Edition. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.